CCTV.
Ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Zonal Office Northeast, haringkar ka jing lang bat ka Department of Arts and Culture ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Kan pelong ya ka 11 India International Dance and Music Festival haka arpu atereng bat haka arpu laiterik ulang kon arja pendrio haka pot pendrio bujitan miet ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Original Director jangka Indian Council for Cultural Relations Zonal Office Northeast. UN Muni Singh haka jinga kram gelap tai kubor haka arpoi tering ukalan kot arja pendrio we tho paya kene tamasa na sedang na kanong ba New Delhi palapan buat pat sa kanong ba Bangalore Baroda Ahmedabad Jammu Chandigarh bat hanong ba Shillong haka arpu atrik kulalan kot arja pendrio ka Kynhun Shad nakari Kyrgystan kan sapen I ya ka jingsha Tynrai kat bahaka arkula trip kulang kot aja pendrio ka Kynhun tem Tynrai nagari Burkina Faso bat ka Kynhun tem na Maldives ken sapen bernya kani kesngi ya kani kata masa on sa play perda dau advisor katnat social welfare ba polling do uban salong kum kongsan ringkat ke jingsa kilang ke deputy director general jongka Indian Council for Cultural Relations New Delhi Kamis Manisha Swami kan salong kum kasembut kongsan.
Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Zonal Office, Northeast India. We are organizing 11th India International Dance and Music Festival in Shillong at the Usosotam Auditorium on the 22nd and the 23rd of this month, that is January 2026, at from 6 p.m. onwards. So we are organizing this event in collaboration with the Department of Art and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. So we are very happy that amongst us we have a very colorful troupe from Kyrgyzstan, and they are known as the Alam folk cultural team. So they just arrived in Shillong and they're gonna perform tomorrow at the Sosotam Auditorium. Tomorrow Kyrgyzstan will be performing their folklore, culture, music, everything. As you can see, the colorful costumes that they are wearing. So we are gonna see a lot of their song, dance and the musics all together in one compact event. So again on the 23rd we have groups from Maldives. It's a rock fusion band who are going to perform. They are known as the 21st. And then we have another group also from a country, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso, this is a musical ensemble that we're gonna organize. So this 11th India International Dance and Music Festival, we kick-started it from New Delhi, and then it is being organized in other 6 states of 6 other places of India, including Shillong. We have Bangalore, Jammu, Chandigarh, Baroda, Ahmedabad, like that, and then ultimately in Shillong we are starting from tomorrow and day after. It is a part of the cultural exchange, and we're going to see the vibrant culture of these 3 very rich cultural places, countries that we have. That is starting from the Kyrgyzstan, then the Maldives and the Burkina Faso. So be there to perform in certain places, as a joint performance, but mainly it is for our groups from abroad. International Folk Festival. This one is Dance and Music Festival. Yes, last year also, during the same time, we have organized the same kind of event. Yeah, you're very correct. Good. And Shillong is one of the favorite place for our artists from foreign countries to perform. Last time also, previous our edition also was a grand success. We did it at Larity multi-purpose hall, and it was highly successful. And we believe that our tomorrow's event also and the after also will also be a very colorful event with the audience from all around coming to see the beautiful event that we
How
have.
do you connect this festival with our traditional people, local people here?
Yeah.
Especially we have our own folks.
Yes.
How do you connect with those abroad?
Music has no language, no community, no bar. Music connects people through their own way. So I believe that this kind of cultural access definitely will help our local artists, local artists as well as our artists from Kyrgyzstan will also take away some of the fond memories and the culture and the lifestyle, music, dance of this place also. So it's like a exchange of culture, as I said. So this definitely will help in both ends. Through ICCR, many of the artists, folk groups have gone abroad and they have performed also in the past. And we will be also arranging for sending our folk cultural group, especially like the Khasis and Garo, to go abroad very soon. This is in the 75 years of ICCR. No, we are planning for that. Okay. Japanese drummers, we have then the Khasi drummers, Jugalbandi also in the past. But then we need time for that, the practice and rehearsal. And since the group has just arrived today and will go back to, will perform tomorrow, there's a very little gap. Otherwise, in near future, we'll definitely will plan for a fusion workshop. Actually, workshop is needed for that. At least 1 week or 10 days, and after that, they can do the joint performance. No.